Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of electric vehicles with a closer look at the highly anticipated 2024 Tesla Model 3. Tesla has been a frontrunner in the EV revolution, and the Model 3 has consistently been one of their best-selling cars. So, let's see what upgrades and features the 2024 model brings to the table. While the overall silhouette of the Model 3 remains familiar, Tesla has incorporated some subtle design tweaks for a more refreshed look. The front end might feature a redesigned bumper for improved aerodynamics and potentially new headlights for a sharper gaze. There have also been rumors of slightly updated wheels and possibly new paint color options to give your Model 3 a more personalized touch. Hop inside, and you'll be greeted by Tesla's signature minimalist interior. The center stage is undoubtedly the massive touchscreen that controls most of the car's functions. However, there have been talks about an improved instrument cluster behind the steering wheel offering more driver-focused information. Material quality throughout the cabin is expected to be top-notch, creating a luxurious and comfortable environment for you and your passengers. Tesla is known for its impressive electric motors, and the 2024 Model 3 is no exception. Expect a choice between standard and long-range battery packs, both delivering quick acceleration and a thrilling driving experience. Precise 0 to 60 miles per hour times and range figures are yet to be revealed, but you can be sure Tesla will continue to push the boundaries of electric performance. One of Tesla's biggest strengths is its constant innovation in technology. The autopilot driver assistance system is expected to receive further upgrades in the 2024 Model 3, offering more autonomous driving capabilities. An improved infotainment system with the latest software features and seamless smartphone integration is also likely on the menu. Tesla prioritizes safety in all its vehicles, and the Model 3 is no different. With a robust body structure, advanced driver assistance features, and top ratings from safety organizations, the 2024 Model 3 should provide you with peace of mind on the road. The 2024 Tesla Model 3 represents an exciting step forward in electric vehicle technology. With its potential design refresh, improved performance, cutting-edge tech, and focus on safety, the Model 3 remains a compelling option for anyone considering an electric car. Let me know in the comments below what features you're most excited about in the 2024 Tesla Model 3. And if you're considering an electric car, would the Model 3 be your pick? Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more content on the latest electric vehicles and the ever-evolving world of electric transportation. Thanks for watching. I hope this helps.